Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to connect Lovable to Firebase. Connecting Lovable to Firebase can be accomplished in a few ways, depending on the specific Firebase services you intend to use in your workflow. Number 1. Integrating with Firebase Cloud Messaging for notifications. If you want to use Firebase for sending push notifications to your Lovable app, you will need to integrate Firebase Cloud Messaging. Include Firebase SDKs. Add the Firebase app and Firebase Cloud Messaging JavaScript SDKs to your Lovable project's main HTML file. Create a TypeScript file to initialize your Firebase project and set up Firebase Cloud Messaging. This includes requesting notification permissions and getting the device token. Create a Firebase-messaging-sw.js file in your project's root directory to handle background notifications. Method 2. Deploying a Lovable project to Firebase hosting. You can use Firebase hosting to host your Lovable generated web application. Build your Lovable project. Generate the static files for your web application from Lovable. Initialize Firebase in your project directory. Use the Firebase CLI to initialize Firebase in your project folder, selecting Firebase hosting as a feature. Deploy to Firebase. Use the Firebase CLI to deploy your built Lovable project to Firebase hosting. Method 3. Connecting Lovable to Firebase Studio for AI-powered development. If you're using Firebase Studio for AI-assisted development and want to leverage its features with a Lovable project, export your Lovable project as a local archive file or link it to a source repository like GitHub. Use Firebase Studio's import functionality to bring your project into a workspace, allowing you to use Gemini's code assistance and Firebase's deployment and monitoring tools. If using a source repository, ensure your changes are synced between Lovable, your repository, and Firebase Studio. And finally, Method 4. Using Firebase as a backend. While Lovable often integrates with Supabase for backend services, you can also connect to Firebase services like Firestone or Firebase Authentication. Add the necessary Firebase SDKs to your Lovable project. Initialize your Firebase project in your Lovable application's code, and write code within your Lovable project to interact with Firebase services, such as reading, writing data to Firestore or managing users' authentication. Some important considerations. Ensure you securely manage and use your Firebase API keys and configuration details in your Lovable project. Configure appropriate security rules in your Firebase project to control your access to your data. If using FCM, correctly implement and register your Firebase service worker for reliable notification delivery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.